And we're off to Kmart today, so you're going to come along with us. Okay, so this is Teddy's birthday. It's his third birthday, isn't it, Teddy?
I'm going to show Dad Daddy's butterfly wings. Look at your son's butterfly wings. He's like, I'm a belly.
What's going on?
Lots of work happening in the backyard here. You have to stop all complex carbs, which is so heartbreaking. So it's time to lose these quarantine kilos. Oh, I'm so excited. Our new beautiful artwork has just arrived. I got this from Tani Kelland. I believe she lives in Byron Bay. It's absolutely beautiful. We have palm trees on our property, and I just thought when I saw this how much it just brings a sense of home to me. So I did see this on Kelly Howard's Instagram. I will link her as well. She is amazing and her home is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll link those two beautiful ladies in the description box, but look how beautiful that is. I'm just going to get a frame from Kmart to put this in. It's about a size A2, but I think this will look absolutely gorgeous on our wall. I love it. And we're off to Kmart today, so you're going to come along with us.
Oh, that's the other one left. Oh.
That's it. These candles smell delicious. These beauty sponges for $2.75 are so good. You've got to get the ones though that are not the real rubbery ones. I don't think they're very good, but these ones are. Give them a try. I like them better than the beauty blender. And those little ones are really handy for around your eyes. Teddy's birthday's coming up, so we think we might get him one of these. Getting one of these for the print that I got.
And I'm getting this for my locker at school.
Yeah. A little organizer.
Princess.
And then just one set of glasses. Okay, so this is Teddy's birthday. It's his third birthday, isn't it, Teddy? You want your presents? What have we got?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, what's this? You like it? Is it your baby?
What is this?
Oh, listen.
Oh,
Look. And what's this? Oh, we got Teddy a little harness that's got angel wings on it. So we're going to try that on. We're going to take you down for a photo. Go for a walk. And go for walks.
Walk, walk.
And then, what's this one?
Oh, my God. He's about to pee himself.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday photo. What's Daddy got?
You say, hi, everyone.
Oh, he knows. You got your little birthday tie on?
Oh, look, he's in there like a boy.
You're being a good boy, aren't you? So excited.
I'm going to show Dad Daddy's butterfly wings. Hey, Dad. Look at your son's butterfly wings. He's like, I'm a belly.
What's going on?
Lots of work happening in the backyard here.
Yes.
It looks so good up there though. Look at his little wings. Say happy birthday to Teddy. Happy birthday, baby. Number 3. So exciting that I can finally now wear my little pedal and pup outfit again. It's nice and warm here, although I need to get fake tan or something happening. Just been doing a big scrub of the house, but I wanted to show you these two cute little things that, or cups that I got. So the dishwasher safe gift is where they're from. I actually picked it up from the post office the other day when I went there. I just thought they were so nice. I drive quite a long way to take the kids to school, so I always need to take a little coffee with me, which is nice. And then because I've been having smoothies a lot lately, I got this cute little one as well. So it's got a straw and it's got a stopper there, which is good. But I just thought it was so cute. But I definitely picked it up at my local post office, so hopefully you guys can find them as well. Oh, that was tricky. And I just wanted to show you, I've got my little Kmart oil mister on, which is just beautiful. It smells lovely. I've got a stress blend in there. And we actually put up the new paintings. So it just looks beautiful. This is the Kmart frame and the beautiful painting print that we got. You probably can't see it because of the reflection, but you would have seen it when I opened it. But it looks great there, so I'll just stand back so you can see. I just think it really suits our home. But yes, did a big clean up. Don't you love it? Oh, my husband's out there painting, which is great. We're finally covering up the wood out there. It'll look really great. That's where the veggie garden is. Hi! And yeah, the house looks beautiful. Oh, here's Noisy Boy. He's a noisy boy. So this looks really good out here. Looks so much better. There's a little veggie garden. So the garden is nearly complete. It looks so nice. My husband's done an awesome job. That's our daybed. We're going to be getting a mattress along here that's weatherproof, so you can actually lay there comfortably. But it's going to be great for summer. Don't step on the plants. Okay, there we go. So if you can cut Mummy a piece of the rosemary as well, just be careful, don't cut your fingers. Perfect.
Anything else?
Oh look, we've got a tomato happening here.
Two.
And another one there. Get some of the long ones. Thank you. Take off that big top piece. That's going to be perfect for our dinner. Thank you, darling. Here is week 13's meal plan. I start the day with coffee and Brazil nuts. Breakfast is a mango yogurt protein smoothie. Snack 1 is mixed melon fruit salad. Lunch is Tuscan meatballs and veggies. Snack 2 is avocado bruschetta on Ryvitas. Dinner is Chipotle chicken mini burritos and cream caramel for dessert. So breakfast week 13, it is a protein mango smoothie. So I've frozen mango, protein, yogurt. I do use the Happy Mammoth prebiotic collagen protein. I also add a scoop of the digestive super cleanse and the vital digestive enzymes as well, just because I do have stomach issues and it helps me a lot. It was supposed to be unsweetened almond milk, but I don't really like almond milk, so I do use the rice milk, but only use a little bit, or I just use water. Here's week 13's breakfast. It's a mango protein smoothie. Yum. We have Bruschetta Ryvitas for snack week 13. So we've got the Ryvitas, avocado, tomato, onion, baby rocket, and this is really yummy too, the Italian glaze. The Bruschetta on Ryvitas. And I've popped on some tagine and the Italian glaze balsamic. Looks so good. Yum. Look at these beautiful orchids. This plant has come back for me about 5 years. It'll disappear and I'm just about to give up, and then boom, full of flowers again. Just perfection. I love those. We had these at our wedding and I just love orchids. We're having turkey meatballs and veggies. So we've got the Tuscan meatball stovetop recipe base. We've got some Italian herbs, peeled tomatoes, baby peas, because I love those, they're so sweet, turkey breast mince, and I'm going to make mash out of the potatoes and some pumpkin. And this is some of the lovely herbs from our new vegetable garden. Here is the turkey meatballs with veggies. I actually mashed the veggies together and it's really delicious. Here's week 13's ingredients for snack. Here is the mixed melon. You could chop it up into a fruit salad, but I like to have it like this. Here is week 13's dinner. We have mini chicken Chipotle burritos. So I've got the chicken breast, mozzarella cheese. This sauce is really good. My husband now has it on everything. Salad and the mini tortillas. Love Mexican food. Bit messy, but delicious all the same. But it should have been the Nestle one, but we have searched high and low for it, so this is the only one that we could find. So just one of these each night. Delicious. So it's week 13 check-in, and I only lost 1 centimetre off my arms and nothing else. I'm suspicious that I've had a sort of plateau. I worked out every day this week. I will link all of the workouts down below as well. I'm actually really shocked that I didn't lose any weight at all, but the main thing is that I didn't put any on. So I'm very happy with that, and I finally have lost a little bit of my arms. I've been doing a lot of cardio and trying to stick to my diet as best as I possibly can. So basically I weigh exactly the same as I did last week, except 1 centimetre off my arms, and everything else is exactly the same. So that's okay, I'm happy with that. I'm getting very close to my goal weight. I'm like so close. So hopefully maybe this change next week will, you know, give us a nice loss. We'll see how we go. I'm getting used to not freaking out about not having a proper loss, especially when I've had some gains, and my stomach's feeling really good. I also had to get a script for the pill and also for my Hashimoto, the thyroid medicine that I take. I spoke to the doctor over the phone for the first time, this new COVID special way of seeing the doctor, which is great, so you don't actually have to go in where other sick people are, which is awesome. Because it was a telephone appointment, he actually went over all of my blood tests. I didn't unfortunately have one just before I started Equalution, and I wish I did. I do feel like that my test results would have been worse in the cholesterol level because I just ate so much junk food over lockdown. But he did go over it and say he wasn't so much concerned of my cholesterol level because the good fats were balancing out the bad fats, if that makes sense. But what he was worried about was the triglycerides, and that you have to stop all complex carbs, which is so heartbreaking. So I got in contact with Equalution straight away once I understood that. I wish I had understood that more before I started Equalution, and we could have already nipped this in the bud, but we may already have. I don't know. I'm still waiting. I've got my blood test form and I'm waiting to do it. I'm actually very excited about the science side of this experiment that I'm doing at the moment. But I'm excited. I think my body might need a bit of a change as well. So we'll see what next week's plan looks like. I'm very interested to see what the Equalution team comes up with. Yeah, I hope you all have a great week. Please like and subscribe and be a part of my little YouTube family. Come and join us on Instagram. I've got lots of new followers there, and just such a beautiful little community. So I'd love you to be a part of it. And check out my Instagram, which will have all the detailed photos of everything to do with the meal plan, also some fashion photos and things like that, which I love, all my little things that I love to do, and I'd love you to be a part of that as well. But I hope you have an awesome week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Mwah!
Join our family, please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.